session 1, everybody. Session 1 is going to be workbooks, worksheets, opening and switching, copying worksheets between workbooks, linking as well with 3D formulas, and adding a watch window. So we are going to discuss all of these. For starters, again, a workbook is equivalent to the file that we just opened. So workbook, file, it's the same. A worksheet is everything that we have been clicking on dito sa baba. Ayan. So right now, we are on the session 1 workbooks worksheet. Ayan. So with that, let's go to 3D worksheet 1, everybody. 3D worksheet 1. All right. So with this, so let's say you want to compare this with another file. Do me a favor, everybody. Can you open up another file? Okay, open up another file, small lang. A small file, not a new one, but a file that you use on a daily basis na madaling i-open. Okay, let me do that myself. Hang on. So let's say um, all right, there we go. Okay, so I have opened up another file as well in Excel. It's called the Master List 2022. At the same time, I have my intermediate Excel. Now, kung ginawa niyo yung ginawa ko rin just right now, I can simply press Alt-Tab to switch from window to window. Okay? Just like this. So Alt-Tab lang yan. But there is a better way of doing this. And let's say, marami kayong windows na inopen, Excel windows na naka-open. So how do you switch from window to window? What you can do is you can click on the View tab. Okay, View tab. Tapos, under the window group, there's a Switch Windows button there. You click on that. Tapos makikita nyo yung active Excel windows that you have there. Okay, so you can switch from here. Yan. Okay. Now, this is just one option. Another is this. So let's say you are now comparing windows. So i-advance lang natin ng konti. So you are comparing one window to another. So let's say reports from 2024 versus 2023. Okay, di ba yan yung isa pang madalas natin ginagawa, right? We compare files. Now, to do that, what you can do is you can click on View Side by Side. Still under the View tab, Window Group, View Side by Side. Click on that. Now, what's supposed to happen is this. Wait lang ha. Kasi iba yung setup ng computer ko eh. Oops. On. So, this is what's supposed to happen. Hang on. Okay. I have to readjust it. This keeps happening. Yan. All right. So, after clicking on, again view side by side, ito dapat yung mangyayari kanina. Yung iba lang kasi yung setup ko, that's why I had to kind of like manually do this. So let's say I clicked on the other one. If you would notice, if I scroll up or down on one window, okay, gumagaya yung kabila. Nagsuscroll down din siya. So this is what you call synchronous scrolling. And again, literally view side by side, ganito dapat yung makukuha nyo. If hindi nyo siya kagad makita na ganito, just like what you can see on my screen, what you can do is click on Arrange All. So under the View tab pa rin, Window Group, click Arrange All. Make sure that you click on vertical here, and then click on OK. So View, Arrange All, vertical, click OK. Sometimes kasi ganito yung nangyayari. Yan. So this is the horizontal orientation for view side by side. It's not as helpful compared to the vertical one, just like this. Okay? Now, of course, you don't necessarily have to do this, especially if you're working out of two monitors. Pero pag isa lang, this is going to be very, very helpful for you. Okay? Yan. All right. Now, let's say ayaw nyo na um, you don't want it na pag nag-scroll kayo sa kabila, pati yung kabila sumasama or sumasabay. You can simply turn off that function. Under the window group, dun sa synchronous scrolling, just unclick that. So ngayon, makakapag-scroll ka in one window na hindi maapektuhan yung kabila. Okay? Yan. And again, you can click on Arrange All. Tapos click nyo yung Cascade. Kunyari, yan, Cascade. Cascade means magkapatong yung Excel screen in your monitor. Yan, para lang makita nyo yung kung ano yung mga active. So that's another option for us. Okay? So if you are done, you can unclick View Side by Side. And now we're back on the default view. I'm gonna turn off the, no, I'm gonna close the other file that I opened. You can do the same para hindi kayo malito. And just have the intermediate Excel workbook open. Okay? Question so far? All right. Let's continue. So this again is 3D worksheet. So here's what we're gonna do. So want for you guys to zoom in lang. So I zoomed in up to 280. Ayan. Just so that you have a reference. 280%. I'll go to 3D worksheet 2. Do the same thing. 280%. Zoom in. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin dito? Now go to 3D sum. The 3D sum sheet. Zoom that again. Yan, so we're practicing zoom as well. So why naman is it 3D? It's 3D sum or 3D formulas because the cells that we need are coming from different sheets. Okay, so three-dimensional. So what do I mean? If I do this equal sign, tapos I'm gonna go to 3D worksheet 1, highlight this, plus, I'll go to 3D worksheet 2, highlight this, press enter, yan ang magiging result. So, what did we do? If you take a look at the formula, so double click or you can also do show and hide formula. Yan, 3D worksheet 1, B1 to B4 plus 3D worksheet 2, B1 to B4. I-add niya yung B2, sorry, A2 to A2. Sorry, B2 to B2 pala yan. B2 to B2, B1 to B1, B yan. So ito, B1 to B1, yan ang answer. Okay? Now, if I do this, equal sign, sum, open parentheses, I'm gonna highlight this, comma, 3D worksheet 2, highlight this, close, enter, I have the total. So ano ang difference nilang dalawa? Here. This one is a straight up formula. So B1 sa B1, B2 sa B2, B3 sa B3. Kaya meron tayong apat na sagot dito. And it's highlighted here in Excel. Yan, yung light blue line dun sa grid. Compared to this one, this is what we want. Meaning, lahat i-add muna natin. So we're totaling all the numbers. So again, we are now showing the difference between how to add it per cell, which is this one, and how to total all of them. Bottom line, paano nyo malalaman kung nanggagaling siya sa iba-ibang sheet is this. Yan. So this is 3D worksheet 1 sheet, 3D worksheet 2 sheet. Nanggaling yung numbers natin dyan. Okay? Questions? Questions so far? Bigla tayo naging serious, no? All good. All right. Okay. So let's say, sige, let's continue. So let's say we have a goal of
Sir, wait,
25,000.
wait, wait,
Oh,
sir. Generic.
yeah,
Sir, paano yung mag-sum doon sa ano, yung unang formula? yung kanina sa, yung una mong ginawa?
yeah. So
Yeah,
this
yeah, that's
one,
fine.
yeah. So you start off by equal sign, di ba? Formula.
Saan
Tapos
gagawin dyan? Dyan mismo sa, ano, no, sa 3D, sa total.
3D sum. Yeah,
3D sum,
3D.
yeah.
Yeah,
Form, equal sign.
equal sign. Tapos you click on 3D worksheet 1.
Alright.
Tapos you highlight B1 to B4.
Okay.
Tapos plus. And then you go to 3D worksheet 2 and do the same thing. B1 to B4. And press enter.
Alright.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. Perfect. Thank you. Anybody else? Okay. Sige. So again, we have this, yung apat yung sagot, and you have the actual total. So let's say we're playing around with a budget. Ang budget natin, target or pala natin, goal is 25,000. So yan ang goal natin. I'll highlight it in green. Pero yung, teka ha, yan. Pero yung amount natin, yung sum, coming from 3D Worksheet 1 and 3D Worksheet 2 is 36,000. Okay? Now, to adjust this, pupunta tayo ng 3D Worksheet 1, tapos i-adjust natin yung numbers dito. Tapos, pupunta tayo, let's say, I'm gonna change this to 5,000. Balik tayo ulit ng 3D sum, naging 34,000 na siya. So, you'll go back and forth. Okay, so imagine, we have 10 sheets na ginagawa natin na kailangan natin mag-goal yung 25,000. So, pabalik-balik tayo ng sheets ngayon. Okay? Now, instead of doing that, there's a better way. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to install a CCTV in Excel. Okay? So, everybody click on A7. So, currently, I'm in 3D sum sheet. A7, click A7. Tapos, go to the formulas tab. Formulas tab. And then click watch window under the formula auditing group. Watch window. Okay? After that, we'll see the watch window. Click on add watch. If you are clicked on A7, automatic na siya mag-highlight. There will be ants running around A7. Click add. And now, meron ka ng watch window dito. You'll see the value, yung ano natin, itong 34,000. Okay? Watch window. So one more time, I'm just going to start over. So A7, kung nasan yung 36,000 or 38 for some. So go to the formulas tab. Formula auditing group, click watch window. Click add watch. Ayan. A7, click add. So ngayon, the reason why this is a CCTV is because if we click on 3D Worksheet 1, everybody click on 3D Worksheet 1, yung CCTV natin, naka-monitor pa rin tayo. Nakikita pa rin natin na 36,000 yung nandun. Okay, so we are watching that specific cell, A7. So ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-adjust ng budget. So si Jess, again, this is 3D Worksheet 1. So palta natin ng 5,000. So 34,000 na. Si Verna, gawin nating 2,000. 32,000 na. Si Benji, gawin nating 4,500. 30,500 na. Okay? So hindi pa tayo bumabalik dun sa 3D sum. So this is the advantage of using watch window. Now, punta naman tayo sa 3D worksheet 2. Doon naman tayo magpalit. Si Amy, gawin nating 2,000. O, 25,500 na. Si Marites, gawin nating 3,500. Enter.
Dapat walang budget yan, Marites eh.
But, gawin nating zero, ayan, oh, 21.5 na. Okay. So, tinanggalan ng budget si Marites. Salbahing tao kasi siya.
Oo nga eh.
Let's go back to 3D sum, the 3D sum sheet. O yung sa goal natin, 'di ba, na 25,000, naging better pa kasi tinanggalan natin ng budget si Marites. 21,500 na siya. Same as what we have on the watch window. So again, this is going to be very, very useful, especially if you're using multiple sheets to adjust goals like this. Para hindi na kayo pabalik-balik, right? So hopefully this helps when you do your calculations or setting goals without having to going back and forth to different sheets in your file. Yan. Now, let's say tapos na kayo, no? You don't want to see the CCTV anymore, the watch window, so you can close this. Tapos, let's say 2 hours later while working on it, na-realize, oy, kailangan ko pala mag-watch window ulit. If you go back to the formulas and click watch window again, lalabas ulit yan. Now, what does that mean? It will stay there unless you delete it. Okay? You can add as many watches as you want, different sheets, different watches, that's fine. Pero if you do not want to see it anymore, you can simply delete that. Delete. Okay? Close. There. So that is our watch window.
All I need are some better days. Yeah. All I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.